Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me Nokia 130 mobile phone, and in this video I will show you how to set different options for this go to menu. Okay guys, you can see over here this go to menu. So how you can set different options and how you guys can organize them. So guys, the first way to do it, simply you have to just press this go to menu. You have to use this button. Okay, and then here you can see there are a lot of options over here that you can directly go. Okay, so it will save your time. So how you can add more options over here? So simply what you have to do, you have to scroll down all the way down, and then you see this left key option over here. Okay, just select it. Okay, and then you see the first option it is giving you is the select options. So I select it, and then here you see all the options are available. The one which are with a tick mark is already there, so these ones are not there, the one without tick mark. So if you want to remove any option from there, for example I want to remove alarm clock, I just unmark it. For example, like this one I can unmark, and now if I want to select this calendar option, I can mark it. Okay, and same way I can mark this as well. So there are a lot of options. For example, I want to I want to put camera in this option, I can also do it. I just mark it like that. Okay, so there are a lot of options over here. Some of them are already selected. If you want to unmark, you can also unmark them. Okay, so you can see over here, so you can also select the inbox option. Okay, so you can see over here there are a lot of options over here, so you can select multiple options from here. And once you finish with it, you have to press this done button over here. So I press this done, and then it will ask you to save changes, and then you press yes. So now the changes are saved. Now these options, the one that I select are there. Okay, so you can see over here we have this calendar, camera, inbox, they all there in this go to menu option. So guys, the second thing that I want to show you, if you want to organize them, you can also organize them. Simply you have to go again to the left key option, again select it, and then you see this organize option, so you can also organize it. So you can see over here, for example, this lock keypad option is on the top and I want to make it to the down, so I just select this move button. Okay, so now here it is giving me the option of moving down, moving to the top, or moving to the bottom. So for example, I select move down, so it will go one step down. So I select it, and now you can see over here the dual sim is on the top, and now the lock keypad option is on the down. So same way I can organize all of them. Okay, all of these options I can organize. I can move it up, or I can move it down, or to the top, or to the bottom. So this is how I can also organize them. The other option that you guys can use for this go to menu or the left key menu is simply go to the menu option and go to the settings option. So I go to the settings option. Okay, so once you enter into the settings option, you have to scroll down, okay, all the way down, and then here you will see the option of go to settings. You can see over here this go to settings option are also here, so you can select it, and same way you see the select option and the organize option is there, so just select this one. So here you can see all the option, the settings option, the camera, the inbox, all the options are over here, so you can mark them if you want to add it to the go to settings menu, and then you press done, and then you can press save, and this will be saved. And same way you can do the organize as well. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. So please do subscribe to my channel guys. Thank you very much.